Hello, today we will guide you through how to make a vendor inactive or delete in QuickBooks Online. We'll be working inside QuickBooks Online, starting from the home page. This process is useful when you no longer need a vendor to appear in your active list and you want to keep your records organized and easier to manage. Begin by going to the home page in QuickBooks Online. Once you're there, move your mouse to the left side navigation panel and hover over Expenses. This will open the related options for expense management, including your vendor list. From the Expenses section, click Vendors. This will take you to the page where all of your vendors are listed. On this screen, you can review the vendors currently saved in your account and select the one you want to update. Next, locate the vendor you want to make inactive and click that vendor's checkbox. Selecting the checkbox tells QuickBooks which vendor you want to apply the action to. Be sure you choose the correct vendor before moving forward, especially if you manage a large list or have vendors with similar names. After selecting the vendor, click the Batch Actions drop-down menu. This menu allows you to apply actions to the selected vendor without opening the full vendor profile. It's a quick and efficient way to make updates directly from the list view. From the Batch Actions menu, click Make Inactive. This will mark the selected vendor as inactive in QuickBooks Online. In many cases, making a vendor inactive is the preferred option because it removes the vendor from your active working list while still preserving the historical transactions connected to that vendor. That can be especially helpful for bookkeeping accuracy and reporting. Once the action is applied, the vendor will no longer appear as active in your vendor list. If your goal was to remove the vendor from regular day-to-day use, this completes the process. A helpful tip to keep in mind is that making a vendor inactive is generally safer than trying to permanently remove past records, since it helps maintain a clear audit trail. It's also a good idea to double-check that you've selected the correct vendor before using batch actions, because those changes can affect your workflow and reporting visibility. And that's how to make a vendor inactive, or effectively remove it from your active vendor list in QuickBooks Online.